On today's vlog, I am going with my cousin's friend, Afu, to learn how to make tea properly and go to a tea farm. I'm super pumped to do it. I'm excited. We made the plans last night, and I'm really tired because we stayed up a little too late last night, but it'll be fun. Alright. They just got to their office. We're not going to their farm, we're going to the office because this is where they're going to teach me. Hello! How to make the tea. So all these are sealed things of tea that will sit here for what, 3 years, 4 years, like just
30 years.
30 years.
Yes.
Okay, so this will sit here for 30 years and then they will drink it. Wow. Are all of these 30 years? Like all these big pots, they have to sit for 30 years?
Yeah.
Wow. There's a lot of them too. That's a lot of tea. That's definitely a lot of tea to sit.
So that's it close to the age.
This one I showed you will be open in 30 years, hopefully for the grandson's wedding, which is really fascinating. The tradition behind that is very interesting. This is a lot of teacups and tea kettles. Look at all that stuff.
The tea.
This is pretty interesting. Tea is a fascinating thing in culture in general, and how with so many different styles and variations of tea kettles and storage and cups, it's very fascinating. Oh, that's cool. And you store tea in that? Oh.
It is closed very good.
Very good. It's airtight.
Yeah. Yes.
That's nice. So the tea in that jar in that box is older than me. It smells really good.
This is 20 older year oolong tea.
20 years old?
Yes.
Wow. 20 years old. 20-year-old tea. Okay, so I understand now. Yeah, I thought it was actually, I didn't know what I thought, but now I understand a little bit of how this works. They store the tea, loose tea, not actually like made tea. So I was a little mistaken on how that actually worked, but that smelled really good.
36 years old.
Wow, so last year this tea won #1 in the whole of Taiwan for teas.
Yes.
And it's 36 years? 36 years old. Wow. Can I smell it?
Older than you.
Way older than me. It smells really good too. So this one right here is a flower tea, not an oolong.
Very special.
It's a special type of tea. It smells very fruity. It's good. I like it. It's different, but it's a very special tea. It smells amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this tea.
Very good.
So this is apparently the most expensive tea in Taiwan I'm about to try. It smells very strong. It's really hot. Very good. I like it.
That's good.
Comes up to about a little higher than my hip, and that thing's just full of tea. Wow, that's crazy. What does it smell like? It smells really good. Very strong. 200 kilos of tea right there. How old? How old?
就是 over 10。
So, just over 10 years old, 200 kilos of tea. Wow, that's a lot of tea. That was great. Met some new people, learned a lot about tea, drank some really good tea, and we just got invited out to lunch with the owner and his wife. I'm hungry, so that's good. But yeah. So we just got to this restaurant. I'm not sure what it's called, but we're in Nanto City, and that's where the tea shop is. This restaurant's been here 100 years.
Nanto is very famous beef.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, gonna have some beef because Nanto beef is very famous. I'm hungry, so it'd be good to have some famous beef. It all smells good, and I tasted the noodles. Amazing. The beef's really good too. So I'm gonna eat. I had 2 dishes of the noodles, which were amazing. I'm not even sure what that other dish was, but I had some of that. It was good, and the soup was really good as well. I'm so full now. I need a nap. But that was really good food, and I'm really happy they brought us here because I never would have gone to a place like that by myself. The menu was all in Mandarin. No one spoke English. So having them kind of show me what this food was like, or what this place was great. And I'm really happy they did, and I'm really grateful for them taking us out. But yeah, back to Taichung now. Back, and I'm heading upstairs to go do some editing, pack my bag, because I'm heading to Taipei, or Taipei, whatever you want to say, however you want to pronounce it, tomorrow morning. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and sticking this out with me, and see you guys next time. Alright, bye.